the process of participating in these lectures with her, I really feel like my confidence has soared through the roof. I know what I'm looking at. I'm much more accurate with the interpretations now than I was before. And I have improved outcomes and recommendations for my patients because of it.
There was quite a few things I enjoyed most about Dr. G, the NP's service. One of the things I enjoyed is her overall knowledge and her ability to break down the EKG and develop it in simple terms so that way I can understand and comprehend how to properly interpret EKG.
I worked in long-term care at the time, and most of my patient population suffered from hypertension and needed multiple medications to control their blood pressures. I took the hypertension management class, and it was a complete game changer for me. I got updated information in addition to one-on-one dialogue with Dr. G regarding some of my patients.
I have already shared with all of my colleagues that Dr. G is the place to be if you want to learn about EKG interpretation. I have just learned so much from her, and I really value the style of teaching that she has. She breaks things down in such a digestible manner. You walk away with something new every single time.
The problem was my confidence and skills with EKG reading. Dr. G was able to reiterate the basics for me and teach a great foundation on EKGs. We're continuing with future classes to grow my knowledge and confidence with EKGs.
What I would tell my friends and colleagues about Dr. G, the NP EKG services, I say go get it, especially if you're lost or you just need a refresher. She breaks it down into simple terms.
One of the things that I enjoyed most during my experience was the interaction and the one-on-one dialogue. It was great being able to give a case study of some of my patients and get that feedback immediately. That was one of the best things that I would have to say about the hypertension management class.
What I really enjoyed the most about learning with Dr. G is her personality and her way of being able to really drive home understanding. The explanations that she gave and the examples are all so relatable and easy to understand. Things just stick with me.
Before the class with Dr. G, I was going to my collaborator directly for EKG assistance, even for the basics. After the class with Dr. G, I'm more confident. I'm able to go to my collaborator with what I see and able to dive more into the plan and goals for the patient instead of spending as much time of reading the EKG.
What really drew me to her was when I reached out to her about a class that I wanted to take that I didn't see. She was very prompt in returning my message and reaching out to me, letting me know when the next scheduled lecture would be, in addition to the actual calendar, and how personable she was even on that level. And so I was like, man, this is really good. I could work with somebody like that because she showed her interest in what I needed and how she could better help me and didn't even know me.
That she's knowledgeable and she wants to make sure that you succeed and have a thorough understanding of EKG interpretation. So I'll say definitely this is something to be a refresher. This is something that will help you feel comfortable. She will not make you feel silly or incompetent. She's very encouraging and will, by the time you're done with this course, you'll feel very confident in interpreting EKGs.
The reason that I have stuck with Dr. G is that she really is effective. I keep learning every single time that I do a session with her. I come away with some new knowledge that I can then apply to my practice. And I continue to grow because of her. Thanks, Dr. G.
Dr. G, the NP, is amazing as an individual as well as a brand. She's passionate about patient care and teaching her fellow nursing colleagues.